Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the excretion in plants. Here we have to discuss how plants get rid of waste material. So first thing is that we have to see what are the waste materials. For example, oxygen can be considered as waste. Second thing, water vapor is also the waste material. Third thing, carbon dioxide which is released during the process of respiration is also some kind of waste material. Then after, some metabolic wastes are there. Metabolic wastes, these metabolic wastes may be in the form of resins or they can be gums. Resin, gums, these can be different kind of waste materials. So how these things are got rid of? First of all, oxygen that is produced during the process of photosynthesis is a waste material and it is released by means of stomata. Same way, water vapor is also lost to the environment by means of stomata. Then again, there is the carbon dioxide. It is also a waste that is produced during respiration and it is also got rid of by means of stomata. In addition to that, a number of metabolic wastes are there like resins and gums. These resins and gums can be stored either in the vacuoles or in the dead part of the plants, or sometimes roots are there. Roots can secrete certain substances which are harmful. They secrete harmful substances into the soil. These are the different ways. In addition to that, suppose any leaf is there or any twig, if it has become dead, what will happen? It will get rid of by means of detachment from the main plant. Whatever main plant is there, from this plant, dead part will be detached. So it may happen that whatever harmful substances are there, these harmful substances will be transmitted into that part which is going to fall off from the plants. So in this way it can be excreted. Sometimes resin is there. This resin can be collected in the older part of xylem. So that is there are different ways by which different harmful substances can be got rid of. Thank you, students.